Welcome to Practice Easy English. 25 informal adjectives in English with meanings and examples. Cool. Meaning, impressive or fashionable. Your jacket looks so cool. She's got a cool way of talking. Chill. Meaning, relaxed and calm. She's really chill, nothing bothers her. Let's have a chill weekend at home. Bummed. Meaning, disappointed or sad. I'm bummed we lost the game. He looked really bummed after the test. Cranky. Meaning, easily irritated or annoyed. Don't talk to me before coffee, I'm cranky. She gets cranky when she's tired. Goofy. Meaning, silly or playful in a funny way. You look goofy in that hat. He always makes goofy jokes. Nuts. Meaning, crazy or wild, in a fun or strange way. That ride was nuts. You're nuts to try that. Lame. Meaning, boring, uncool, or disappointing, not convincing or impressive. That party was so lame. He made a lame excuse for being late. Awesome. Meaning, extremely good or impressive. This pizza is awesome. You did an awesome job. Zany. Meaning, funny in a silly, strange, or crazy way. Do you love watching zany movies? That was the zaniest costume at the party. Spooky. Meaning, scary in a fun or mysterious way. That old house looks spooky. It got spooky when the lights went out. Cheesy. Meaning, low quality or overly fake, often trying too hard to impress. He wore a cheesy suit with glitter all over it. He gave me a cheesy smile that felt fake. Snappy. Meaning, quick and clever, can also mean irritated. She gave a snappy answer. Don't be snappy with me. Trendy. Meaning, fashionable or popular right now. She always wears trendy clothes. That app became trendy overnight. Sketchy. Meaning, suspicious or not trustworthy. I wouldn't buy anything from that sketchy website. His story sounds sketchy, I don't believe it. Peppy. Meaning, full of energy and enthusiasm. She's always so peppy in the morning. The music was peppy and fun. Clueless. Meaning, not knowing anything about something. He's clueless about cooking. I was totally clueless in math class. Grumpy. Meaning, in a bad mood. Why are you so grumpy today? Don't talk to him in the morning, he's always grumpy. Weird. Meaning, strange or unusual. That's a weird question. That outfit looks kind of weird, but cool. Wacky. Meaning, silly or crazy in a fun way. The movie had a wacky plot but was really fun. We had a wacky idea for the party. Creepy. Meaning, causing fear or discomfort. That guy looks creepy. It's creepy walking here at night. Chubby. Meaning, slightly fat in a cute way. The baby is so chubby and cute. Don't call him chubby, he's just healthy. Hyped. Meaning, excited or full of energy. We're hyped for the weekend trip. I got really hyped when I heard the news. Stoked. Meaning, extremely happy or thrilled about something. I'm stoked to start my new job. I was really stoked about our road trip. Pumped. meaning very excited or enthusiastic. I'm so pumped for the big game tonight. I got pumped when they announced the winner. Moody, meaning often changing moods or easily upset. I get moody when I don't sleep well. Sorry, I've been a bit moody today.